is loosening its hold over water, over empty roads. The moon leans west and slow, like it's done enough and knows. I don't rush the color in the sky, I don't ask the dark to stay. I let the moment finish speaking before the day knows what to say. I don't raise a white flag, I don't turn away. I let the morning find me exactly where I stay. The light knows my name now, the tide knows too. I'm not letting go of this place, it's holding me too. Pink clouds thinning over trees, bush still breathing, half asleep. Every road bends back to here, every silence makes it clear. No promise hanging in the air, no question needing proof, just the moon setting behind me and the slow arrival of truth. I don't raise a white flag, I don't need a sign, just the water holding sky and the softening of time. The light knows my name now, the tide knows too. I'm not letting go of this place, it's holding me too. No need to swear forever, the land remembers me. Every dawn over Mallacoota says stay quietly. I don't fight this feeling, I don't make it loud, just the moon gone west and the sun breaking cloud. The light knows my name now, the tide knows too. I'm not letting go of this place, it's holding me too. Mm-hmm.